Hello, hello, how are you? You are to learn about how to calculate the areas, and let's just jump to it. So there are a few different 2D shapes. On the left top I'm looking at a circle, and over here I have a square. Over there I have a parallelogram, polygon, and a triangle. So calculating the areas are all easy, and you just do 3 steps, just like the ones you used to calculate the perimeter. One, this time, not the perimeter, you are going to write down the area formulas. They are on the right side of your formula handout. Number 2, insert the numbers into letters, and then do the calculations that the calculation works. All right, so let's go ahead and practice. So what shape I am looking at here? I am looking at a circle. Here is the formulas. Let's locate the circle here. Circle right here. So, but okay, let's go up again. Remember, the perimeter formulas are right here. The area formulas are right. So I am going to use the formulas. They are at the far right end. So let's go back to the circle again. And so I'm talking about that. So we are going to focus on that. Area equals pi r square. As usual, let's just copy. Area equals pi r square. Area equals pi. If you remember, it's 3.14. If not, the formula handout will tell you that. Pi equals 3.14. Let's go ahead and write that down. 3.14 times the radius. Radius is here, which is 13. Let's write down 13. But this is just radius. The formula says radius square. So you need to make sure you write down radius, which is 13 square. You need to square the 13 as well. And area equals, now the calculation time. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 13 square. Clear that. 3.14 times 13 square button for me here. So equals, the number I will be getting is 530.66. 530.66. And the unit is centimeter. But this time you are calculating the area. Make sure the unit is centimeter square. When we mention the unit is centimeter square, we know that we are talking about area. We know that it's the multiplication of two lengths. So 13 centimeter times 13 centimeter, which is the area. 13 times 13 times the pi, so that's the area, but the two distance has been multiplied, so that's why we have this square here. Always, when we talk about areas, you always have the unit being square. So let's go ahead and do another example. Over here I have, let's put this to the left, I have a square. So what is the square formula for the area? Square is right here. The formula is A equals L square. Let's go ahead and write that down. A equals L square. So area equals L, that is 3. If you don't know, look at the formula handout. It will tell you this is L, which is 3 in this case. Write down 3, but make sure you follow the formula we have the square there. It needs to be here as well. Area equals. So let's go ahead and use the calculator. Here, 3 square equals 3 square is 9. 9, and don't forget the unit, meter. This is the area we are talking about, square. Last example. Now we have a rectangle. Let's go ahead and calculate the area for that. Rectangle area formula is rectangle up here, I guess. Yes. Rectangle area formula A equals BH. Area equals BH. Area equals. So, step 1, write down the formula. Step 2, replace the letters within the formula. Step 3, the results using the calculator. So, we are following those. So, BH, no idea what B and H stands for. So, let's look at the picture. B is here, H is there, which is equal to C. So, B, H, C, H and C, they are the same thing. And in this case, this is B. And that is C, which is also H. So, I'm going to write down 2 and 11. I'm going to make sure there is a multiplication between. And I'm going to use the calculator to get 22. And don't forget meter square. You also need to know how to calculate the area for triangle. That's a different separated video. Don't forget to watch that as well. Let's practice.